Breaking update coming in, and this is with regard to an assault case in Coimbatore. A private school teacher and a principal has been arrested under POCSO Act. They have been held for allegedly sexually assaulting a class 12 girl. Arrest took place after the girl ended her life alleging assault. It's a very shocking case which has come in from Coimbatore, where the police have in fact arrested one person who's a private school teacher who was accused of sexually assaulting a class 12 girl in Coimbatore. In fact, the class 12 girl had ended her life at her home alleging sexual assault. Following that, the private school teacher and the school principal have been arrested under the POCSO Act. Remember, sexual assault and sexual harassment by school teachers in Tamil Nadu has in fact been a very, very important issue over the past several weeks. We have seen how the state government has in fact even come up with a helpline for students to complain, a process also for the students to actually submit their complaints so that they are heard, and there is never a situation where their complaints are ignored or brushed under the carpet. But this is a very, very tragic incident being reported there, and it's so shocking, where a private school teacher has in fact been arrested after this girl who was allegedly sexually assaulted ended her life. Let me go across to my colleague Mugilan, who's reporting on this. Mugilan, first of all, what are the details of this case?
Now, the Coimbatore City Police have booked a private school teacher, Mithun Chakravarti, under Gundas Act, because we have seen in the first week of December, a 12th standard student have ended her life and alleging sexual harassment, and following that sexual assault, and following that the police started its investigation, and it has also found a suicide note from the place where the girl ended her life, and following that, during the investigation, it was found that the physics teacher of that particular private school was sexually assaulting this 12th standard student, and he was arrested. And following that, the school principal also was arrested under the POCSO Act, because it was her who tried to brush this entire incident under the carpet, and following that, the school principal also was arrested under the POCSO Act. But now the Coimbatore police have booked this particular school teacher under Gundas Act, and the detention copy has been served to him inside the prison, is what we are learning from the Coimbatore City Police.
Mugilan, also for our viewers, actually, as we were saying, that, you know, the sexual harassment or children complaining, students complaining of sexual harassment has in fact been a very big topic in Tamil Nadu of late, where the government has also come up with a helpline process encouraging students to actually speak out if they are facing any such traumatic assault. But has there been any positive progress in the sense that have students actually started, has that complaint process or the helpline process actually been helpful to students? What have we heard on that aspect so far?
Definitely, yes. Now we are saying off late, we are seeing several students coming forward to report about the sexual harassment and the sexual assault which happening in the educational institute. And as you rightly pointed out, we have seen that the Tamil Nadu state government have come up with a dedicated helpline number along with the childline helpline number of 1098. So several students are now coming forward, and the Tamil Nadu Education Department also have asked all the schools to put out this helpline number in all the classrooms in the government schools, and more importantly, from the next academic year onwards, the helpline numbers which is introduced by the Tamil Nadu Health Department for the page of all the textbooks is what we are hearing from the School Education Department. So the government, and we also have seen the Chief Minister also releasing a video asking the students to come forward and lodge a complaint against any sexual violence in the educational institutes, and he has also ensured students that a proper action, a strict action will be taken under relevant sections against the people who indulge in these heinous crimes.
Mugilan, thank you so much for joining us with that breaking update.